हाँ एक हो चाहिए. Okay. Should I take over? Okay. Thank you all for coming. Today is a very, very big day for me. Whenever you take up a brand and you endorse it, there's always, at least for me, a certain emotional connect. And it's been so with me with Garnier Pure Active Neem face wash before, and now finally with Garnier Fructis. And you may not believe me, but it's fine. But I've used Garnier Fructis probably all my life. And today we are proudly unveiling the new Fructis Triple Nutrition range, which I am very, very excited about because I've used it. And you know, and it's been so with me with Garnier Pure Active Neem face wash before, and now finally with Garnier Fructis. And you may not believe me, but it's fine. But I've used Garnier Fructis probably all my life. And today we are proudly unveiling the new Fructis Triple Nutrition range, which I am very, very excited about because I've used it. And you know, when you're an actor, at least in my life, every day you're doing styling, you're blow drying your hair, you're doing different things, which tends to tire your hair. You know, when you overwork your body, you get tired. Sometimes your hair also gets tired. So you need to give it its utmost nutrition. And Garnier Fructis Triple Nutrition does that because it has a combination of almond, olive oil, and coconut oil. And it, as the MC said before, it works through scalps, through roots to tips. And that's something that and it's triple strengthen and triple nutrition. And I feel like at the end of the day, if we go as actors and as people, we go to dietitians for, you know, to nutrition our body, we should do the same thing for our hair because, you know, you always want to look beautiful with your hair. And yeah, so I'm really, really excited to be here. And I think one thing that I always look for in my shampoo and my conditioner is the smell. Because many people say that when a boy gets attracted to you, he smells your hair first. So it's not only about boys, it's also about how you want to smell nice. But the smell has like a little fruity and a very like daisy kind of vibe to it, which I really like. It's very fresh and young. And one thing that the conditioner offers is that you can condition your scalp as well as your, people say don't condition your scalp, but in Fructis Triple Nutrition, you should condition your scalp because it's good for you. It'll fill it up with all the nutrients. So now that I've given you a full lowdown, I think everybody should go right now, get Garnier Fructis Triple Nutrition because it'll help you a lot. Anything else? Yes.
Thank you. And you're indeed smelling good today and looking stunning and gorgeous, Alia Bhatt. Thank you so much, Ali, for being here. Pleasure. And now I'd like to request on stage Mr. Satyaki Ghosh, Director, L'Oreal India Consumer Products Division, to please join us on stage. Welcome, Mr. Ghosh. We now open the floor for the media Q&As. I request each and every representative, before you address the question, please identify yourself and the publication that you belong to. And ek dil se main darkhwast karna chahunga, a humble request that please revolve the questions around the topic about the brand and the association of Alia Bhatt with Garnier. The floor is now open. Over to you.
You.
Hi.
Hi Ali. Hi Alia.
Hi.
This is Pooja Saman from Lokmat.
Hi.
I would like to ask you, you had earlier endorsed Garnier skincare and now hair care. So how has been the entire experience with Garnier?
It's been a great experience. As I mentioned before, it's very nice when you and the brand have the same ideologies and you believe in the same things when it comes to marketing a product or, trying to sell it to the consumers. So whatever, like the advertisement that we did, it was very young, it was very fresh. See, all of us are human. You can't look perfect all the time. So there are going to be bad hair days, but nobody likes bad hair days. So here's your solution to bad hair days, And it's also not about it's not only about looking good, it's also about feeling good. And when you want to feel good in terms of, your body and your health, you also should take care of your hair because your hair also needs that utmost attention and nutrition that you give your body. So I had a great time working with the team. And yeah, it was fun. It was a lot of fun.
सात्विकी जी, आपसे मेरा प्रश्न है, शोमा घोष फ्रॉम ग्रेशोबा। मेरा प्रश्न आपसे ये है कि अभी आलिया जी को आपने इंडोर्स किया और उसके पहले ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हैं और उसके पहले भी आपके दीपिका पादुकोण, सुशांत सिंह राजपूत और जॉन इब्राहिम थे आपके। तो इन चारों को लेकर के आप क्या कभी कुछ इंडोर्स करना चाहेंगे एक साथ में?
एक तो हमने आलिया भट्ट को इंडोर्स नहीं किया है, आलिया भट्ट ने हमारे प्रोडक्ट को इंडोर्स किया है। बट आई अंडरस्टैंड द स्पिरिट ऑफ योर क्वेश्चन। वी हैव मल्टीपल ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स फॉर द डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज दैट वी हैव। John and Sushant clearly advertise for the men's range and they endorse that. Deepika does skin care. Alia was doing skin cleansers. Now Alia will do Fructis. We are very happy with all four of them and all of them get their individualities in it. Getting all four of them is a great idea. I have to think of a product which, all men and women and all four of them can come on the stage together. But it's a good idea. We'll keep it in mind. Yes, ma'am.
Hi, I'm Saloni from The Hindu, and my question is for Alia. Like, since this new line of products has 3 nutrients, hence the name Triple Nutrition, what is your personal favorite 3 elements in your hair care regime?
My personal favorite 3 elements in my hair care routine. See, as I said, because at least in my life, because I'm either we're traveling or shooting or something like that, so you have to keep your hair clean, you have to keep it healthy. So, first things comes to you have to know, you have to wash your hair regularly. You can't go 4 days without washing your hair, So I do wash my hair every alternate day, sometimes every day. So that's the first thing, cleansing. Secondly, everybody takes like vitamins for their skin and for their, for their personal care. You also have vitamins for your hair. So there is a vitamins that I take, the skin, hair and nails. So that also helps. And last but definitely not the least, Garnier Fructis Triple Nutrition. It gives you all the nutrition you need for your hair. So that is probably the top most point in my personal hair care.
Alia, hi, right in front of you, straight here. Abhishek here. All right, Alia, the press conference began with you posing and we know that you love to pose. So, it was good to see that you were standing by your brand and you were just holding it really tight. So do you really love your brand or does the brand pay you so much that you would want to stay by its side? What is it like? What's the connection?
Very good question. Today when I was getting ready, I was telling them that you all come right now, go into the bathroom and see that I have carried my own Triple Nutrition conditioner and shampoo. You don't believe me? I'll take you also after this up to my bathroom. You can still see. It's right there. I travel with it. It's in my gym bag. It's in my travel bag when I'm going outdoors. I genuinely believe in it. It's not about, it's not, everything's not about money, It's the emotional connect as well. So I do stand by it. Like I do use it. I'm not going to be endorsing something that I don't believe in. And I believe it helps my hair. So yeah, come after the press conference, Gero. I'll take you.
Hi Alia, Sasha here from Hotyour.
Hi, how are you?
Good, good. Alia, see here we're talking about Triple Nutrition. So, we're talking about 3 strengths that, it has in the shampoo. So when we talk about 3 strengths that you have, if you could share 3 of your strengths actually.
Good question. I'd like to believe that I have a good amount of willpower, which I feel I get from my dad. He has amazing willpower, and I learned that from him. Another thing is that, which I believe is very important for me in my profession, is to be very thick-skinned. So I have that strength to be thick-skinned and take things at the surface and then not let that affect me in an emotional way, even though I'm a very sensitive person. And the third strength would be that I think I feel being understanding as a person always helps with your friends and with the people who are close to you. So I have an understanding quality, again, which I get from my mother. I have this ability, which she has, to put myself in another person's shoes, which makes me very forgiving. Sometimes that goes against me, but sometimes it also helps in the long run. So I think that, talking about strength, that makes up my strengths.
Yeah, good afternoon to all. This is Raj from media. Alia, you. How do you keep yourself fit and healthy? And how do you think this fitness helps you in your this profession?
I do a combination of Pilates and weight training, and I have a very, not strict diet, but yeah, I have a strict diet that I constantly follow. Right now I'm trying to get into like perfect body shape, so it's been going on since a while. And I think it is very important to look a certain way. I don't feel being like extra skinny or, you know, extra thin is something that is desirable. You have to be fit. It's about the internal fitness level that you have. The body fat percentage should be at this right percent level. Because at the end of the day, in this profession, people are putting money on you. They're going to watch you look a certain way. So you have to be desirable. You can't just take it for granted. So I do work very hard in that aspect. I am working hard right now.
आलिया, हाय, सामने आपके यहाँ.
Hi.
हाय, कैसे हो आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हो?
आलिया, जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं कि आप बॉलीवुड में काफ़ी फन, इंटरटेनिंग, बबली और नॉटी के नाम से जानी जाती हैं.
नॉटी?
हाँ. तो
कब से?
ऐसा माना जाता है बॉलीवुड में. तो हम,
मुझे किसी ने, अच्छा एनीवे,
तो हम ऐसा माने कि ये गार्नियर का कमाल है या गार्नियर से रिलेट है, इसलिए आप ऐसा,
कि मैं नॉटी हूँ?
हाँ, तो मतलब ये गार्नियर का कमाल है, ऐसा माने?
देखो, when you say naughty, I think बालों में knots.
जी.
तो गार्नियर फ्रूटिस का कमाल है वो नॉट्स निकालना. तो मैं नहीं मानती हूँ कि मैं नॉटी हूँ गार्नियर फ्रूटिस की वजह से. But anyways, I don't think I'm naughty. I may be a little naughty, but everybody has to be naughty.
तो गार्नियर ब्रांड में ऐसा क्या कुछ है जो आपसे सिमिलर है, आपसे मिलता जुलता है, ऐसा कुछ?
I think it's the fact that it caters to the youth and it caters to the audience that I am representing, क्योंकि मैं अभी 21 years की हूँ and I'm probably the youngest person in the industry. So I have a very instant youth connect with the brand.
Hi Alia, आपके राइट में आलोक here from
Hello,
AFM.
how are you?
All well, आप कैसी हैं?
ठीक.
ठीक है. सवाल ये है कि इंडस्ट्री में किसके बाल आपको काफी अच्छे लगते हैं, पुरुषों में भी और महिलाओं में भी?
किसके बाल मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं? I think सोनम कपूर, beautiful hair.
And पुरुषों में?
पुरुषों, पर उनके ज्यादा बाल नहीं होते तो.
अरे होते हैं.
पुरुषों, सबका who has the longest hair at the moment? I think Ranveer Singh had very nice long hair in Ramleela. अभी I think छोटे हो गए, but my dad, बहुत अच्छे बाल हैं उनके, स्मूथ और सिल्की एंड नॉट नॉटी.
ये शैम्पू आप किसको गिफ्ट करना चाहेंगे अपनी तरफ से, खुद के अलावा?
मैं अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स को गिफ्ट करना चाहूंगी. इनफैक्ट मैंने उनको ऑलरेडी कुछ आई हैव गिवन इट टू देम एंड whoever comes by me, I always tell them you must use Garnier Fructis. You must use it. So I'll give it to one particular person you're asking. No, you want one of those answers. I'll give it to Pariniti. No, I don't mean like a random guy coming and smelling my hair like that. I mean there's a science, you know, when you have like attraction pheromones that, me talking about science is seeming a bit dull, but that are released through the smell of your hair, and automatically it's like almost, I'm getting into a completely different zone right now, talking about animals and all, but basically it's the smell that you get attracted to, and that's something that I feel like even a person should smell nice, hair, body, everything. What? Come and smell my hair? Why should I share this information now with you? Random people have not done that, because that is true. They will probably not get a very pleasant reaction from me. But I smell my hair. Mm. I prefer not to comment on what the film is right now. I don't think it's my place to. Whenever people do comment, it will be from Ayan and Karan's side, not from me.
Apologies for the
I
intervention.
can
but
confirm that I'm doing the film.
Apologies for the intervention, but we just, due to time constraint, we have time left for two questions. Two last questions, please. Thank you.
Mic. Haan, scream, scream. Give them a mic. No, please. You are very loud. I can hear you.
हाय हाउ आर यू डूइंग
Good, good.
अच्छा आलिया जितने भी नए एक्टर्स अभी बॉलीवुड में आए हैं, आप है, श्रद्धा है, आपको लगता है कहीं ना कहीं जो फिल्में जो पुरानी एक्टर्स थी, कैटरीना है, दीपिका है, उनको मिलती थी जस्ट बिकॉज दे हैव इंक्रीज देयर प्राइस, वो फिल्म्स अब आप लोगों को अप्रोच कर रही हैं, ऐसी कोई फिल्म आपको आई है?
No, I don't believe that. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like अगर somebody says no to a film and it goes to somebody, it's okay. क्योंकि कभी, because of various reasons, people don't do a film. And I always feel like you should do a film if you really, really believe in it. और price वगैरह, I don't think so. I think a director knows exactly what kind of actress or actor he wants for that particular character.
नहीं, पर ऐसा हुआ है कि जो एक्टर्स हैं जैसे दीपिका है या कैटरीना है, उन्होंने प्राइस इंक्रीज किए हैं और since you know you are doing really well in your career and you are getting a lot of films because of that reason.
Am I taking a lot of films?
No, you have done great in your
Thank
career
you,
till
thank
now.
you, thank
So do you think जो भी films कैटरीना या दीपिका या उस slot के actors को मिल रही थी just because they have increased, they have raised their price, वो films अब आपको, श्रद्धा को या बाकी young actors को approach किए जा रही हैं वो films के लिए?
See, I don't think it's a barter system or anything like that. I feel कि उन्होंने अगर जो भी price increase अब बात कर रहे हो, I don't know or the logistics of that, but I feel कि they've been in the industry so long, उनके पास बहुत सारी फिल्में हैं to do. So if they do say no to film and by chance it does come to me, Pariniti or Shraddha, it doesn't matter who said no or who said yes. The matters that the person fits the character. That's what I believe. Thank you.
Alia, yeah. Also Independence is coming up. So
I can't hear you. Sorry. What?
The mic,
Hello.
please.
Yeah.
Independence Day is coming up.
Yeah. आ रहा है. So how do you prefer to celebrate that day and what is freedom for you?
In school, I remember celebrating Independence Day. That we would go on, I would go actually every morning. I was a part of the choir. So we would stand and sing the national anthem and everything for everybody. After that, you don't really celebrate Independence Day as such, but freedom to me, for me especially, because I have a foot in the mouth situation, means that I can do or say or have an opinion without having the burden of people judging me or expecting too much from me. For now, that's what freedom means to me.
Apologies. I apologize. That's all the time we have. I'm so sorry for that.
हाँ पूछिए ना. पूछिए ना please. Mic please, mic दे दो.
Sorry for the delay. Good evening, ma'am, sir.
Good evening.
In your introduction, you said that you used the Garnier throughout your life span. What would you clarify on that? A little bit more details. How much?
By throughout my life, is since I've known, I've used Garnier Fructis Long and Strong. That's probably what I meant.
And now, after this variations have happened, would you be able to note the differentials and bring it forward?
After what?
After the variations of number 1, number 2, number 3, we've come to this triple nutrition.
Triple nutrition, yeah.
Would you be able to differentiate and bring forward the difference between the previous and the previous product and the new product?
See, when you use a product, you use it as a consumer. You don't. What is being told to you is what you're understanding, what goes behind the product, what it caters to, what it helps you do. I know that after using this, I felt like my hair has become more healthy. Like I don't have hair fall. I don't have, you Long and Strong would, I believe that I have a fast growing hair, pace. Like my hair grows fast. I believe that. And it's happened while I was using it.
Yes, yes. All the product itself is very good, of course, but then the differentiation between the new and the old, would you be able to distinguish?
So
That
I'll
is
take
what
it,
the
Alia.
question is.
It's a product question. Let me take it.
You're trying to find me in some hard
no,
spot.
no, no, no. Whether you would know the difference and then bring it forward to us.
I will
or
know
to
the
them.
difference from what the product is saying. That is Long and Strong. This is triple nutrition. This talks about nutrition of the hair. Now, Mr. Satyaki will talk about the product science behind it.
See, Long and Strong was a product which was for long hair. It gave it strength. Okay. Triple Nutrition is a variant that has been developed by our Indian labs for the Indian woman with a lot of research here. What it does is it gives you strength from scalp through length to tips. So it's a upgraded version in terms of formulation. She also talked about another thing about the conditioner. Most of the conditioners that Fructis has or any other variant has, you put the conditioner in the length of your hair for detangling. That's the job of conditioner. This conditioner particularly works also on the scalp because it has the oils of almond, olive and coconut that the MC spoke about. So you can rub it into your scalp for the first time and you can get nutrition from there. So it's a different product, but if you go under the shower and say a shampoo is a shampoo is a shampoo, it's true. The fragrance is also very good, and I am asking my marketing team right now to give you one bottle of Triple Nutrition and a bottle of Long and Strong so that you can check whether there's a difference or not.
Thank you.
Okay,
thank you.
you'll get one bottle.
Yes, thank you. I just wanted to, after the usage, the user would know the difference.
I apologize for that, but